Okay, hello, Tyler Bryden here. I hope everything is going well. Today I have a very exciting announcement, release from 𝗥𝗲𝗃, especially good for the no-coders, the people who love to play with Zapier. And that is 𝗥𝗲𝗃 integration, which has been live for several years now, but there's a new trigger. And that trigger, if I scroll down here, we can see is the new magic prompt response. And this triggers when a new Speak magic response is available in your Speak account. And for many of you using the system, you have grown to love this feature. It's one of the most popular and we think valuable parts of Speak. Allows you to very quickly get answers from your data by just asking direct queries and questions. And so just as a quick example, I can go into short speech here. We've got the transcript. We've got all the great stuff that Speak has always had, but now we've got this prompt functionality, and I can choose what type of person I am setting this system up to be. So it's a researcher, and then there are a bunch of preset prompts available to you, which you can then run. So in this case, I'll just do 5 meaningful takeaways with context. There's many more, and again, you can write your own custom one. Short file should come back pretty quickly. And then what's super exciting, I'll close this for a second and I'll go to one of the files that has some history in it. I've got too many right now. There we go. And we can see that the questions that have been asked, they appear in the history in your Speak account. So we've got create a bullet point list summary of this speech. We've got that summary. And this is what is creating the trigger for the Zapier integration. So as soon as this response is available, you will be able to access it in Zapier, and then you can do some really incredible, almost infinite things with where you want to send that response. So I want to walk through in this video what that looks like. I do have a sample one set up. This I've gone through the entire process here, and in the end, there's an output that I sent to a Google Doc. What I'll do, just for the sake of clarity in this regards, I'll create one from scratch. So I've got Speak here, 𝗥𝗲𝗃 latest, and then I've got an event. I want that to be the magic prompts response, so you can choose that option, continue, and now I can test the trigger. What's super exciting, you can find the magic prompts responses right here, and there's a bunch of different ones. In this case, I've got B, create a bullet point list summary. I can see what file this was run on, and I can see the prompt as well too, and I can click through a couple of them. You can find all the history, and then moving forward you can automate this to make an action every single time a new one is uploaded. And then this is the most recent one that we just did. Yes, so give 5 meaningful takeaways with some context. So you see, come back very quickly, and then we've got some nice takeaways that are part of that response. Super exciting, super clear. You've got the created date, you've got the assistant type, and then you've got the media name, and then you've even got the folder that it's in and the actual ID of that file itself. So now I can hit continue, and it's going to ask me, what do I want to do with that file? In this case, just to keep it clean, again, I'm going to go through the Google Doc, but there's a ton of different things you could do. You could create an email. If you do it as action items, you could create a Trello card. You could send this to a CRM. There's amazing possibilities that this Zapier trigger opens up that can be fully automated and really integrated to enable the workflow that you're looking for. So I'm now going to go back to my Google Docs, and I've already got one authenticated. I'm just going to create a new document from that text, continue. And then now I have these options to populate that Google Doc. So I can go in here. I'm going to show all options so we can see that. I'm going to go with the media name. I'm going to just insert. You could do a bunch of different things here. You could say, hey, give me the prompt, and maybe I do that. And I even go prompt so we know which that is. And then I'm going to go and add answer. So we've got that as well. And then this is where you can add the answer. And I'm going to put it in the root file. That's fine for me right now. I'm going to hit continue, and then I'm going to test the action. It is now sending this to the Google Doc, and you will be able to see that the response automatically triggered and was good to go. You can see how fast, how easy that was. We've got the prompt, and then we've got the answer. We've got the perfect title, and immediately you could share this with someone. You could use this as a starting of a document. And again, this opens up some really incredible, even advanced flows. Ones that we're thinking of are taking a video that you've recorded for YouTube, then you've got the transcript. You can automatically turn that transcript into a precise YouTube description that then gets uploaded to the video as you upload it through Zapier. And again, the CRM integrations. There's so many different applications on Zapier, over 5,000 today. They continue to to add more, continue to add amazing ways to automate and grow the functionality of everything. And just think this is a super exciting functionality that we've released. So you can visit that by going to the page. If you have a Zapier account, you can start using it immediately. I walked you through that entire flow in just a minute or two, and you can use this as a reference video if you're looking to set up your own automations and integrations with Zapier. And if you do, we'd love to hear what you're setting up, how you capturing the data, what kind of prompts are you running, where are you sending that. I think a super exciting time. And when we look at these amazing capabilities of large language models, we really do believe in the workflow enablement and the integration and the automation of these systems to just make everything frictionless and really powerful. So thank you as always for being a supporter of Speak. We hope this video was valuable to you, and we look forward to sharing some more great stuff with you soon. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye-bye.